In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace these side window deflectors on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Take the window deflector before you take the tape off and just line this up. This is going to go over the mirror in the front and it's going to go to right about there in the back. And just keep a mental note. So it's about an inch up on the door right there, and we're going to want to clean that with an alcohol wipe. Just take the alcohol wipe, we'll start at the mirror where it's going to overlap, and then just clean about an inch up on the door. Just wipe it off, and then you're going to want to let that dry. On the back side of the deflector, you want to peel up the tape on the corners. If you need to, you can use some type of a knife or a case cutter or a utility knife. And just peel that up just like that. Do the same on the other side. Just get underneath there. Just peel that up like that and just fold it over. Now we're going to go near the mirror with that lifted up. And just see where, you can see where there's a folded part right there that's going to go right on the edge of the mirror, and then line it up. So you can tap this down a little bit right there and line it up in the back. That's good right there. So we'll tap the two corners down, then just grab the tape and we'll peel it up. And just push down in the deflector all the way down. To do the rear one, it's going to be the same procedure. It's ideal to do the front one first so you can make sure that these line up as close as possible. And just take the alcohol wipe and wipe it down and let it dry. And just use the utility knife, pull the corners up. Get it lined up. So it looks good just like that. Just push down on the two ends, peel the tape up, and push the rest of it down. And you're all set.